Welcome to the Weather Centre on Tuesday, where we can expect some morning drizzle over the southern part of South Africa. It'll be a mostly sunny day in the west with fine and dry conditions over the northeastern and eastern parts. Overall, we're expecting a sizzling hot day across South Africa. In fact, it will be an uncomfortably hot day for most provinces, with highs hitting well into the 30s and many weather stations even exceeding 40 degrees. We're still expecting a few thundershowers though, and that's mainly over the central and southeastern parts. There's a warning for a high fire danger rating with runaway fires possible over the western part of South Africa on Tuesday. And there's an advisory for heatwave conditions over a large portion of the interior, with persistently hot weather all the way through to Thursday, except over parts of the northern and western Cape, with the heatwave conditions continuing only until Tuesday. Here's our rainfall probability map with the possibility of morning drizzle in the south. You'll see isolated thundershowers around Lesotho, with a slight possibility of thundershowers over the southern interior, as well as over parts of the northern Cape, the northwest and the Free State. Here's that hot weather in the northeast with heatwave conditions continuing for Gauteng and the northwest. Highs head into the mid-30s for Gauteng, 41 degrees for Vryburg, and Potchefstroom and Mahikeng can expect maximum temperatures of 38 degrees. Just shy of 40 for Bloemfontein and Umtata, 37 as we head into Pietermaritzburg, and comfortably hot with extremely hot weather for Queenstown at 42 degrees. Hot and humid along the KZN coastline with a strong northeasterly wind in the forecast, 38 degrees for Richards Bay, 10 degrees below that for Port Elizabeth with a warm afternoon and a light southeasterly wind. We're expecting a 2-metre northeasterly wind swell at 6 seconds. Still hot over the interior parts of the Eastern Cape with a maximum of 40, and you'll see highs in the low 40s for the Western Cape with an uncomfortably hot Tuesday afternoon. You'll see a southeasterly wind from Jeffreys Bay all the way through to Muizenberg, with fresh winds in the forecast for False Bay, and we're expecting a 2-metre southwesterly swell at 12 seconds. Sizzling hot as we head towards the Northern Cape with a high fire danger rating in the west, and of course heatwave conditions persisting until Thursday. 44 degrees for Uppington and Prieska, 42 for Kimberley, with many of those maximum temperatures peaking at around 40 degrees on Tuesday afternoon. Along the west coast, you'll see highs in the mid-30s for Cape Town and Langebaan, with a fresh southerly wind for Table Bay and Alexander Bay, and a 2-metre southwesterly swell at 12 seconds. On Wednesday, we'll see a break in the heat with the possibility of rainfall over the southern part of South Africa. Still sizzling hot and dry over the interior, 40 degrees for Richards Bay and Mahikeng, and Pretoria tops 38. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a great Tuesday.